Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Taib. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Intan Paramita and I want to tell you about the novel that I was read. The title is Teen Idol by Meg Cabot, and this is the characters. The main characters in this novel is Jenny Greenley, or used called by Jen. She is a student at Indiana High School, and she also had a big role here because she's main characters, and the story tell about her life. And then in this novel, in this story, she had a big secret too because she had role as Ask Annie. When Ask Annie is the newspaper school advice column in her school, and this is being secret because if everyone know about who is Annie, they will assume that Annie won't neutral anymore. And the next, there is Luke Striker. He is a famous artist that had research, yeah, for his next project. And Katrina or Trina, she is Jan's best friend, and Steve is Trina's boyfriend. And Scott Bennett is actually he um, first love of Jen when she fifth grade, but he had moved to another country and come back, returned to Indiana last summer. But when he returned, he had a relationship with Gary Lynn. And the next is Karas Klausberg. Karas Klausberg is Jen's friend that bullied for with all her friend because her body is fat, so everybody call her Karamu Ko. And then Betty Ann. Betty Ann is the doll belongs to Jan's Latin teacher, Mrs. Mulvaney. And Cus Clader is Jan's senior that had a bad joke, had a cruel joke. And this story began when Jan want to stop court action about kidnap Betty Ann. And while Kurt Slider kidnapped Betty Ann, her teacher, Mrs. Mulvaney, realized that Betty Ann is disappeared. So Jen actually want to help her to return Betty Ann, but she also realized when she can stop about court action, um, she will be uh, the next job for Kurt. So she kept silent while she also confessed what she must to do about Kurt's action. And while she confessed about what she must to do, her teacher called her and they said that there are looks like her that had research in their school and looks like her identity must be secret because if everyone know, everyone want to be more closer to him. And actually Jen know about Luke Striker when uh, Trina, yeah, because Trina very fanatic to Luke. And then because Luke just know about Jen, so they are become friend. And Luke had fact identity is Lucas Smith, and Lucas Smith know or yeah looks like him know about uh, Jen good at persuade others because he witness of it. And Jen can persuade Kara that she must be herself, while Kara tried to all the way become try to make her body slim. But Kara can persuade, no, I mean Jen can persuade Kara to she must be herself. So Kara also want to be herself because persuade Jen. And then when school event, the others discovered Luke's identity and situation to be chaos, and everybody want more close to him. And because of that too, uh, even Trina and Steph is uh, broke up because yeah, Trina too fanatic to Luke, and when Luke identity revolt, and Jen also know about Scott and Gary had broke up, yeah, because in fact Scott and Gary in a relationship. And because of the situation, Luke Striker giving advice to Jen that she can to do whatever she want without thinking about others' opinion, about what the goods of others, and yeah, Jen did what uh, Luke say, and Jen decided to move out from the chorus that now she joined. And actually, yeah, Jen want and Jen no no more interest, had no interest while she joined the chorus. It is because Trina Jen entered the chorus, and when Trina realized that Jen decided to move out from the chorus, Jen angry and they are fight until the prom night. And when prom night, Jen and Luke become the king and queen, and because of Jen and Trina from the past is still fighting, yeah. Jen don't know if Trina and Steve become together again. And when they end prom night, Trina come to Jen and say that she was sorry. And yeah, when and prom night too, Jen also know that Gary and Luke in relationship. So because of Jen think that she can to do whatever she wants now, so she decided to return Betty Ann from Kurt's house to Mrs. Mulvaney, but Jen not by herself, but Jen helped by Scott. And yeah, because of that, because of Jen and Scott getting together, return Betty Ann from Kurt's house, Jen and Scott being a relationship, having a relationship, and they are happy together. Okay, thank you very much. Maybe enough for me. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi